Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with a toy hunt video. I went out to Valley Village in Langley and found this Mosasaurus figure. Holy cow. That is phenomenal. It's been a while since I've been hunting, and luckily I've been forced here by my good friend off Instagram.
Classic free history.
Man, really did cut me off. God damn. Yeah, no, so she dragged me here, because like, I was gonna say no, because I never find stuff here.
And was it not worth it? I manifested it. I manifested it.
You wanted to manifest a Thrasher.
Oh, look it, it's a set of goose cups.
Oh,
They're so cute.
I mean, this is close enough. It's the same size, I guess. But yes, I'm finally gonna have one that I can just bring everywhere. Just look how rough he is. He's been well played with, that's for sure. Look at that seam. Yeah. So anyways, yes, thank you for dragging me out here. Wouldn't have found it without you.
My intuition, my instinct.
Yeah. All us collectors, us hunters have that. We also found these little babies. They come from like a box set that I was gonna buy for like 20 bucks, but hey, we get them for 5.
If you wait long enough, you can get anything at the thrift store.
Debative. Actually, no, you're right. You know what's surprising? Let's take a second to talk about this. Mattel creates so many figures and pumps out so much of them, yet it's so hard to find them at thrift stores. It's like they're overflowing the markets and still can't find any. Like, what the heck?
Well, it's disappointing how many I have seen at thrift stores. Just because, like, you know, they just came out. Why are people already tossing them away?
You've seen some and didn't buy them?
Okay, not like a ton, but I've seen enough that it disappoints me.
Okay, that's crazy. Unlike you, I have like a chronic addiction where I have to buy every single one I see. There's like nothing stopping me. It's horrible. I have no self-control.
Brendan will buy.
If
He
it's
sees it,
cheap,
he'll buy it.
I'll buy it.
No fear.
No
repercussions.
Nope. It's terrible.
No end in sight.
Absolutely not. Oh, book aisle. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little update. I'm glad I found this. Really cool figure. Can't believe I scored it at a really reasonable price. Like, holy cow. But it's hella beat up. That's completely fine. So, I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye-bye.